episode for Ahaye GC News. Mema Ubibia Akwaba. Had the latest hot and Aramede Bramo. I don't say Wunyan subscribe to channel idea. Bomodian say over subscribe. The way I say over click a year the subscribe button. Na wabele notification. We understand new video be upload when the first person was Ebeka a yes video. I feel we are now like video and give us a thumbs up, Nefi. Shema wa foforo so na wenye bi hwe na wo hu ensemo ekoso e wo Ghana memo afi yembura ye ensemo abeto yepono so yeti yes a report ya ba betu ja sankomo yimu enti se wo niam bada wa ntimi yi ya emfa nko demorage no nipa no confiscation office o say department o say no why na appointing report o enya president okay babna abaye ntimi anje ama ECG ECG na kasa so si onisika how Ghana for yendwina de ne ho yewu me mete wana ensamre kwaso na metete TV na de ya besre ECG si onisika cable no wakra no ode beye eti de abayi na se aban na kasa Akufo Addo da no si wa seize free ECG nsem na ECG e ho ade a eti aban SCG aban enema asabdi nani metie sanu ya kwom kofo kasa no ya to kan tatata sa hey come home betie nyansa wa ECG mabra nya aban dia Greco enya aban dia VR enya aban dia eti say ECG crane ma bedru Ghana na so ntimi yi a enya aban na ntimi yi
akwati aban na
titia eti na lie wom enya say ECG ntimi yi wo mo todi
lie to you
oh he ma tesa crofo bo he before ye very smart people yenim krono bo proper say MPP ni bo krono na timi na no the brofo yi ano me catch up me I know them I've been with them all these years MPP ni bo krono pa no hu say wa bo krono no me na timi wa won committee na ya catch us okwa men katwi koso chemotwi a Ghana fo bebre beti ase kan brofo me catch up eti eba ye no wo baby o mko so asem no mu ye hwe ni sei wo mo sei ginapo aka say ye 3000 plus eche wa baka say ye 2000 eche wa baka say 1000 2 bb in any case ebi ayira na say bi nyirai eti ye ginapo de ye ginapo hwe cause containers no ayira na ginapo o ye MP no ye minister no ni abem it's whether 3,280, whether 2,000, whether 1,005. We have no problem with Jinapo. Jinapo from Swabia, and nobody should blame Jinapo. The NPP, as usual of them, were just looking at small technicalities, loopholes, no more Jinaso, just to rubbish whatever. I am telling you, me Mahama Afenyo Markin. Obia so beka me Mahama ne mechi Afenyo Markin. I am telling you today, as quickly as possible by now, and Napo or the police headquarters, Anuka Nima ne Fatano, Nima cell was Ankahoya. Me Mahama by now Napo them.
He is smart. He is unique. He is the
Afenyo Markin you be inviting or a Boakye. Then Krata wanted your way no metro statement. Once Afenyo Markin who said there's danger coming.
He is unique.
Original parliament for the very first time. Afenyo Markin say obe support Jinapo.
Captain Smart.
Nama then say
morning shows.
Sa krono no obe support no. Emma won wo na na ya che won. Wo fi say that Afenyo Markin say kasa. Afenyo Markin. Nidi na Markin na Markin. Then to officer Afenyo Markin. Afenyo also be support energy minister. He was referring to him my brother. Is he your brother? Or you tani we are igbeni so on your brother we
Ghana for Wachino.
Jinapo tani.
Wachino.
We are Igbe any futu on your brother be a we. Ayi sono Afenyo Efre. Ayi Jinapo my brother, he is not your brother. Afenyo who say when this can be trouble with home and party. He knows there's danger. ECG Containers are something I don't know. A bigger issue. Why not careful vice president to be who them? Let me move you. ECG are something I don't know. Containers na ayirano. Kojo Kyeremanteng vice president to be who them? And you know my wife. Number 2, vice president be near be ehubebem. Number 3, second lady be ehubebem. There's trouble ahead, but people don't know.
Wachino.
Eti baba na containers ni bedru ye no ECG on timi yi. Wanwa o. Ha. Meanwhile, ECG ntua cash. Tieniye. Major details ni bi da se wo ye mema na omo yi wo muti a ma kire omo nyansa wa fidie so nti be the information ni bi bete ECG akwaji loan and a class our containers no I am saying it, they should come and deny a loan in the loan no a shem sika omo de be clear containers no from harbor meboa. How they lie?
Captain Smart, the king of warning.
I think containers ni bedru ya mabena ECG say. Sikana a share loan components na de be clear no. Sikana so ayira.
Na sikana wa
Captain Smart. Akwa to say 1968 ala. It took Kwame Nkrumah 66. 1968. When him say bees, when him bees. What Ghana hen and Ghana ko UK. Oh, memo evidence. Memo evidence. Oh, after. Oh, memo evidence. Memo evidence. Memo evidence. Sir producer wait home. Oh, me pesa memo evidence. The one who say. Who offer?
Yes, they.
What was that offer? What the other was that offer? Me mom be tripping case mo wa bees wa
omujane
wa Ghana hen na worry that jane kasongo ye me do nya me see more evidence oh me more evidence mo wa me so be boss mama me kasongo wa containers ni na ira kasongo mbona we songa Ghana wa so mo ira Saturday oh Mombari Nanga. Kasongo mbona we. Na ye di new year we after 19 days. One year. It was Saturday 20th January 1968. One in year. Na be before ya no. One na church, Debi da kwanu ma na church ni. Enti enya me wanwa ti da beti se ase Mahama confirm adwana ye wanam so wo year ai. Asante Anas. Ha na da hono. What got some more? Anyway, where newspaper?
Quit Ghana,
oh. Hey, you think I'm lying? This is that. Report trust story, no? Emma Daily Graphic. Your friend Ben Kweku. Ben Kweku. And on Saturday 20th, January 20, 1968, 250,000 bees quit Ghana without producing a pint of honey. Now when I can't one work room ha. Asante Bediatuo almost all the 250,000 bees. Just where I made my own. Just where Bobby your mommy. Kachulia say, wow, bees, I Ghana. almost all the 250. Now when I quack bees, yeah, but I just say a kind bees if you get
250,000.
Almost all the 250,000 bees imported into Ghana from the United Ghana. So you're crying.
What's it means?
By the State Farms Corporation in 1965 have swarmed away from Pokwase Farm. The rest were devoured by lizards and birds. What's it? Faculty. It is believed that the bees may have returned to their country of origin. According to an official of the farm, the bees imported for establishing a honey industry made off without producing a pint of honey. 1968. Mesa Bekasembi. ECG almost every 2 years we import cables, containers, not less than 3,500 containers every 2 years. One more containers and that's what we do from her. More than 2,000 eira. And your friend SEO. It's be about details, no time with dates. It is a make some and yes, Monfa Energy Minister Darren Tonche, Muntie Nyansa. Monfa MPP for the no Moke Canson Tonche, Sebetie Nyansa. Kobisa Kojo Kyeremanteng. I am saying this on air. Go and ask Kojo Kyeremanteng that in 2006 September, and then of course what Mahama national security already Mahama in 2006 ECG containers and Makumako 317 who in Ghana? What do you know? ECG containers ebeira enye ne. Fly Lieutenant General John Rawlings. Papa B or your friend Obimpe. No, Commodore Steve Obimpe. Tama Rawlings obu e konkansa ka popo. Steve Obimpe ne kosevi e konkansa ka. And then Tama Rawlings yinadi as a Minister of State. Meboa. Pato otiase na we I don't know. Menim baby owo. Mumbusa Commodore Steve Obimpe. Rawlings Finance Minister, no your friend saying, on we free. Question what to me, you dance here, but Commodore Steve Obimpe, otiase. Go and ask Commodore Steve Obimpe. Time Rawlings starting rural electrification project to Ghana Hano. Containers a big Kenya or more cry by say, one more de between Kenya. Akwa Nkurase. Central region in Nkurase through Gomua. Ebono Nkurase. Any vote and Nkurase containers more than half a year. 79 containers a year. Mabena. I know baby oh. Tabahabo. It is our business we no a shasiano and yet never business. Wamuni India for ni Lebanese for and it is a Ghana for Bekaya, Akufo Addo president. I started the National Reconciliation Commission. Odi Professor Ato Forson executive secretary. Abrantie bi ko ni Lebanese ni bi ekade akomo kontokwa. Your friend Abuga usa Adabuga usa Adabuga any Hosaife sa womumi enu no oka sabi wo ho se eye ono Hosaife no ene ko no wakochuki eye Lebanese fo no ama aban no mo pesa video number ambehu na Adabuga ntimi anka asem ni na asabri ina say that time na containers na yira otamahaba Lebanese for na to it is omotori a na say Hosaife say hwan ne yese oba ho say yese na wan yese ya chiame na wan chiame a no akoka enye no a to try ECG. A dear beer ECG crabber or Ghana habia more than half a year every year. Me pe challenger what be ma bra be catch up some wa. ECG a dear beer crabia ECG ekoto A4 sheet. Ha A4 sheet. A4 sheet here they print A B C D E F G H E B. A4 sheet. ECG cra A4 sheet. From Kaneshi, Mabna from Kaneshi to ECG headquarters. Nipa na ogodi animu koto A4 sheet ni koduru ye. Besi ne. Kada koduru ma A4 sheet na ko ECG headquarters. They should come and tell me somewhere. I am daring ECG. Come and sit here and tell me what I'm saying is not correct. And I'll give you time and date. A4 sheet no ankodru. ECG crowd there be a friend insulators. So womo esi pole na eno na womo de faso. Say na be ya enye dade enti no entity jape pra. Bisa ECG basic there. Say say insulators no mo cry in Sabedura. They spent almost $230 million. Basic there insulators ne mai. Meboa. And the Ghana Police Service catcher and said, Doom Saba, now almost torches. I'm a post for former Ghana Police Service PRO, something tete. And I friend say, the Ocasa tactical retreat in Zodani. Postini, who walk up with hey, Brantain, Kakeda, Quadia, ship with Danny. You besides, Master, you are running away. I say, I'm not running away, it's a tactical retreat. Tactical retreat. Who Danny has a tactical retreat? The guy was running away. He was running away. ECG basic ne. Am I? Ena emuju ye he. Sir, I don't know if Kweku Annan do hobe kaya. Tama Professor Mel so ho no. One kwara na ye energy minister. They are not what bosomtwe kodi MPA matise ese wa film or obeye energy minister no ye NDC parliamentary candidate ewo bosomtwe me refi de me akra me kan ye campaign man no I've forgotten this man's name. What the containers ECG cra container meter okay tell you Ghana for muntia sam na me catch am no ye ECG cra meters at the Ghana. That time the then energy minister or call cabinet meeting, then they meet cabinet meeting nasa order. Then young kwalasem. Say meters na wamoko cry na ya loadi from Abrochire, China to be specific. Ababedruno. Ube be containers no meters na half him. Dr. T.A.J. Dr. T, ni dino no. I say, what dream on Tiadian as energy minister, and on the core cabinet, and also may investigate. Me will say ECG said basic ne report away. And no na cancer sanity there. What my ECG coin and cram meters biom na buy bekra and the political meters no about system name. Say na woni ma me kira wase di machi say ya boy intercolleges na wie say ya boy super zonals enti woni ma just shut up ena abai ne say Professor Mel say chino twano awole yi na won twado amara mpaso nwe iyi ya kare ya ko hwema o da asem baba enti yi on wonye enye na aye bekra eno na started political meters Professor Mel's time. Because that ECG lie with her. Fast forward to a ECG cry. Cables. 2018. 89 containers. Hey, right there now ship on the bed okay. Adeache ye na ECG ko in 2018 August. Na 89 containers ayira out of containers na ebeduru ye no. Meboa. Mbacho meboa 2018. Adelai containers na yira. Na containers 8 and 9 2018 na yira Adelai ECG mumra na mumekasa pacho mwa 2019 nyame ye adom man te se ECG containers ayira ebedu 2020 ECG ankasa ekoye report ema Asante Bediatuo former IGP so wui so to that man is not dead, he's alive. Ask him. ECG penny focus said the way omu cables no money ama eyira wata mahabo no omu dwene ho a omu ntiase 2020 asem na make a wi na ye beto aba if you hoba no ebeye business ebeye deal 2021 month be na Mijai angel no May. And I'm about 1st June. ECG phone check our records. 25th June, then a course what Mahamo about ECG containers. Remember date and time. Make 2021, 25th June. And then a course Tamahabo, ECG containers. Maybe see me per challenger. We are Bema no aba. Maintenant au fien que kango gwa wo be ma yuti wo ga yeti ma we na anu ya na ka kanko asem betra 2023 ECG containers omo krai na irai yes ni na irai na metrem ECG containers now omo say eyira no this is the deal. Each container cost $500,000. Container back on. And you may woman $500,000. Oh, make Kennedy that's the idea. 2023 containers nearby no. Now $429,000 per container. Almost 400 a year. And yes, almost 400 nearby a year. Na ECG hwehwa wo hu ena ehya omo ho fwen ema omo pani bia ne din te se mi din or resigning ECG meboa mo issue statement me se me pe challenger he fi samre kwesi se meja adwen o se mewu o se medion wo boa o wuntimi take ya bo intercolleges na wie ya twempena na wie se ya ware ya bo superzonals na kwa me on the 12th o se gya se okuma no mpo bia Josephine ope obe ware 13th eno te ono memene da we ya na kwa yi o ware ti guess ni na kwa me ka to se be hia na obo da o mema o kwa ware e ma ni ntwi last street wo gro homa ni twi last street a branch na how o ware memene da ya koye oba ne ho ade Sunday ya wedding no we yes I don't pay kwa say one na fie ya mi nshira ya me otumi o na ngani say back to ECG say remember what we say na kwa me trans na me hwe wani mam do example trans ECG 2023 containers na afin India for Oklahoma na to ECG containers. Lebanese for Oklahoma na to ECG containers. China for kakra bi na to ECG containers. And Ghana for contractors na mo ye ECG adwuma no. Won so ekoje no masa ton e de ama ECG meboa. Meboa na Enti 2023 odo ECG containers ni na ye fine no. Womo se womo hwehwe tio ECG crack containers ni fi abrochire de bagana. Na ECG twinya aside the same cables na womo kra efi abrochire bagana no. Womo ye de no womo to wo Ghana ha 2023 November. Mun kan kire me. How were you able to purchase those electrical cables? Ghana ha company be na yesa cables ni bi. Mun kan kire me. ECG eto cables, also mato cables no Ghana ha at a low cost. Now let me explain the low cost to you. Container number $429,000. That's the value of one container. As of 2023 November. And ECG say what to container number $250,000 Ghana to a young faso. Why are they pa? Yam one seven friend. Me buana. The attorney say on one kasa ECG in the container na ira was spending $429,000 and on the Accra container never drew Ghana. And I see ECG when yesika and trade duty. ECG as a doom soba it mima aban yetu abatiano. Ghana for munjuna di hu you. Such a company say wakra containers aba where time na ye ka MPP asem no ho wonya MPP ni ntem yo na me ntan MPP o na me ntan Akufo Addo but ye koso na me hu na me te na me hua tena me yam hyehyeme but edu baby don wadwen ye won say Captain Smart town afei na Akufo Addo nka say hu say still amema Ofemi still member. Afenyo Markin say no. Na sanka yetie koyo. Ba yenti no. ECG nsam kwa no mu di agro. Ene no etekodai. Afei over 3,000 ECG containers were imported in December 2023. Mutiabiye containers na ye kan ho asam na mo ye twe daawere no December 2023 and I'm starting procurement and a contract and a dead day so they need a larger consignment so we be here Juma 2024 so the be here beboa na be bia kanea wo a edum cable ko enkoye enkurase kanea be ekọ a enkoye ne ade no wo matimi aye de ntem masa Ghana for beto aba ya to aba MPP adelai pacho meboa ECG mumpeni foi na omo tiase akonwa we ya ma afa ase tiso yi tese mi ye kwawuni ma afa ase Mary ne ba Yesu Kristo obekwa ye frushi ase na na kwame 13th ana ti hey sa akonwa ye metimi abetena so ana containers no start say obi kan mo bro from kan say trickle in mo na mko legon ana container no begu mu okrom ha Ghana fa fe yiwa sum na tiem ye ma bra container ne bedru ya ECG say onisika odi betua duty ebe enti hwade say lie nima we ya ban na wote ho wonim say ECG go betua ma walusu election we ya ban wote ho dum so a major political issue in this country sakalai bi anim krono bi anim na sanka chief of staff Fremo pare na so to 50,000 Ghana cedis obi mfa kwa de papa yi a credit ye to de say Sebs papa no kwa say commissioner general ECG for the your friend is say cable saba ye de be ya be adwuma almost niska. Please clear it and forward the bill to us. ECG will take care of it later. Who born dog? I mean, can't say show. President Akufo, 2001. Time on it, Olusegun Obasanjo. Etna say yes, our meeting said Ghana Police Service, any cars. Chemier. Me can say yes, you. Me come me kwado me say no abe challenge me. Me cars ebinia. Me club post for nika. Me hear cars. I'm on one day, sir. Pedro, say 544, say then be no. Eddie Bray, I say 205. What? Whatever. Pedro. I can't pigeon. Pigeon. You be good chroma. That time now, honorable Backbin, I am minority leader. And a Backbin, a man in Sasso. That time now, Openi or speaker, friend Peter Lajete. Order. Backbin raising concern, say, SSN cars no, sad deal no, a fa parliament. Na parliament are approving. Say ye loan no, say ye grant o, say ye gift o, say ye de anchor, and for parliament. President Akufo Addo responded harder. From 2001, Akufo Addo responded. Akufo Addo responded at 2003. Yako kumasi akwasiday. Kwame Adinkra and an interview J.A. Akufo on phone. The friend I put it in mate bang. And a President Akufo Court Assembly Abuziaka said the constitution is not a fetish. Chesegani constitution no enya bosom na nipa wu post for here car. What's the fan kofa process tintin mu asaka na ba. Na car no beduru asa process na ye ntimi nye. E na obi ano ye adwom e wo ha. What do I mean? Anka fremo apare betimi afre. A simple calculation. President na catch the Commissioner General say ECG cables abeduru temahamo. Wo mu ntimi yi. Na ye say na office of the confiscation deben no. Enya Akufo Addo na appointing ni port anu. Say woni ama bada wantimi ye emfa nko demorage no. Nipa no confiscation office or say department or say no. Why na appointing ni port enya president? Okay. Mahamadu abaye ntimi anje ama ECG. ECG dan kasa so say onisika. How? Ghana for yendwina de ne ho yewu. Me te wana nsamre kwaso na metete TV na de ne yebsere. ECG si onisika cable no wakra no. Ode beye. Eti di abayi na say aban na nkasa Akufo Addo da no si wa seize free ECG nsem. Na ECG e ho ade a. Eti aban seize aban enema. Asante nani. Me tie sanu ya wam ko focus sanu ya to kan tata sa hey come home me tie nyansa wa ECG ma bra nya aban dia Greco enya aban dia VRA enya aban dia eti say ECG krania ma bedru Ghana na so ntimi yi a enya aban na ntimi yi
akwati aban na
titia eti na lie wom enya say ECG ntimi yi wo mo todi. Oh,
you waiting for winning reporter Babeto Yepono because so we just subscribe to channel dia Bomodia say over subscribe. Now while like video don't give us a thumbs up na fi share ma wo fufro so na when you be here na wo hu ensemwa ekoso ewo Ghana memwa also betimi atchere wadwen afa eye ensemwa nyina ho ewo comment box ni mu obete minkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. click on the bell to turn on the notification.